Hello, boys and girls. It is Saturday, December 12th. Here we are at the Vape It Up Studios, and we are doing a broadcast right now over there. If you can look past all my mess, don't look at my mess. It is Sounds of the Season. It is about 7 minutes after 9 o'clock. I'm going to be on till 11 tonight. And I don't really have too many things in the way of decorations. I do have that, which my monk got me many moons ago, that is still a part of the setup. And other than that, I just hung some lights up. As you can probably see, we have the tree over here. Have the freaky light that I had for Halloween that's kind of changed its function, but that's okay. And here is the North Pole land. Fireplace going in there on the television. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a part of my Christmas tradition to get warm by a fire that could not possibly get you warm. But yeah, so this is us. And tomorrow is Sunday. There will be a Light Without Heat show happening from this desk, from this chair. Actually, by this time tomorrow, it'll already be done. But, there we go. Stuffer's Sounds of the Season is on the air.